Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be making a turkey of our own, a Thanksgiving decoration. Many of you celebrate Thanksgiving, whether you do or you don't. Even if you eat turkey or don't eat turkey, we're going to be creating one to make our home a little bit more exciting during break. We're going to make a new friend, a turkey friend. So today, the first thing we're going to be doing up in the STEAM lab is coloring in the parts. We have the body, the eyes. These are called the snoods. And then we have the beak and the feet. So you're going to be coloring these in. I didn't color in my eyes here. I just cut them out. They're going to be white eyes. And then after you color these, you're going to have to cut them out. So you're going to cut out the parts. After you color and cut the parts, that's when you need a plate. And I have some plates here. You're going to color in the plates, and I want you to make sure it's all covered. You know, you can make stripes, hearts, polka dots, big, crazy swirls, whatever you want. I did a rust job. Don't follow my example. Not a great example, but it has tons of color, so it'll work for me for now. It has tons of color, and when I use the crayons along the edge, it kind of helps make it flat, so make sure to try to get the whole thing covered. After that, you're going to glue down the parts that you colored and cut. And when it all comes together, I'm sorry that this is a little bit finished already, but this is what that turkey looks like once you glue down the parts. So you need to glue down the body first. So the body will actually get glued on first. So putting the glue right on the back of the body will happen first. And then you kind of place it down on here, and that's when you add the other parts. Now notice that I glued the girdle underneath the beak, and the eyes are on top. So the eyes and the feet should be the last thing. The girdle should be what comes after the body. So now it's all on there. It's starting to look like a turkey. Gobble, gobble. And now this is why there's tape out, and we're going to be using tape today. When you go up there, just get about one about the size of your hand, and just get one or two pieces at a time if you need. And we want to make this stand up, so that's why we have some cups. We're going to use these larger plastic cups for the back, and I'm going to flip this over. Oops. And I'm going to try to put it towards the bottom, like almost exactly at the bottom, and I'm just kind of putting the tape on there so that both sides are on there. If you're having trouble, just wait for an adult, raise your hand, wait for someone to help you. Now, if I put the tape on right in these spots, it should kind of stand up. So now my turkey stands up, and this is a good point for me to add leaves, if I have leaves. If you don't, no big deal. But I have some leaves here. I'm just reaching for them. They're right here, and I put some tape, a little piece of tape, on the stem, just so I can kind of stick it on. So I'm put one that kind of comes out this way. I'm just using 2 leaves, and I have another leaf here, and now I need a piece of tape. So I'm taking a piece of tape about this size, putting it right on the stem, and then I'm going to just kind of place it next to it. And now my turkey has some feathers flying off, and I'm finished with this turkey. So the next part would be maybe to use your iPad to create a Chatterpix, one Chatterpix for one silly turkey. So you would take a picture using Chatterpix and maybe come up with a name for your turkey and tell a little bit about your turkey in your Chatterpix video. When you're done with that, that's when you can make another one. And you can actually, instead of making a large one, you're going to make a little baby turkey with a little baby plate and a little baby cup. So that, oops, sorry turkey. So that way your turkey has a little turkey friend, and I will have other parts for you to color in and create if you want to make a baby one. So if you get to that, you will be able to create another one. So I think that's just about it. Happy Thanksgiving and good luck.